এখন আমরা ট্রাভেল করতেছি। Right now we are going to Madhavkundo. We are on the way to the Madhavkundo. Madhavkundo, anyway. Madhavkundo is one of the famous place in Bangladesh. Nice place. Natural view. And this is the street view in Bangladesh. Today is the Eid day, so quiet. Nobody on the street. We have one CNG in front of us. No speed limit in Bangladesh. There is a speed limit but no one follow. I think the speed limit is 35. But people, the driver driving 40. ছাগল আবার আমাদের সামনে, আপনি সাবধানে ট্রাক করে নিলেন।
আমি আসতে